Do household cleaning supplies runoff affect plant growth? This project was chosen because I've always been interested in plants in the outdoors, and in the 6th grade, I did a project with soybeans, so this year I thought I would do something similar. When the expanding hypophyte lifts the cotyledons above the soil surface, sunlight causes the cotyledons to turn green and triggers the growth of foliate leaves, also stopping hypophyte expansion. This experiment tested if household cleaning supplies runoff affected the growth of a plant. The hypothesis was that the Lysol mop water would do the worst. To conduct this experiment, 48 soybean seeds were planted in a greenhouse and watered daily with the different types of runoff water. The data does not support the hypothesis. The data actually shows that the Lysol mop water helps the soybeans grow the best or second best compared to the other runoffs. Fertilizer and wastewater can mutate the plants and make them grow taller than usual. This can be shown in not only the experiment, but also in the Grand Lake, St. Mary's, and Indian Lake, where the eutrophication is increasing. This is becoming a problem because the eutrophication is a process that increases the concentration of the plant's nutrients. To improve this experiment, go to a soybean field and collect the soil that has been fertilized and see if it has anything to change. Do household cleaning supplies runoff affect plant growth? I hypothesize that the Lysol mop water will stunt the soybeans' growth the most over the 30 days. My independent variable was adding the cleaning water to the plants. My dependent was the height of the plants and the effect on the plants. My control was same plants, same greenhouse, and water without any cleaning supply. This is my research. Lysol cleaning contains ethylamine, which controls the pH levels of the cleaning product and contains ethanol, which can be harmful to the plant. Soybeans can help in lots of different medical problems such as heart disease, breast cancer, prostate cancer, diabetes, and other health issues. Phosphates is a chemical that can decrease the tallness of a plant. Soybeans are one of the most important beans in the world due to them having lots of protein in them. Soybeans are also used in many different chemicals. If soybeans get infected or mutated due to the chemicals and runoff, this could hurt many economies. Soybeans are used in many other things. They are not only to be eaten. Soybeans are used in rubbers, plastics, adhesives, coatings, solvents, and lubricants. Soybeans are recommended to be planted in May. Soybeans start to sprout usually around the 7th day after being planted, and in between July and September is when the plant gets its flowers. Soybeans mature in late September and are ready to harvest by October and November. Materials are Lysol cleaning, Dawn dish soap, all detergent, 48 soybeans, a greenhouse, 4 spray bottles, tap water, pen, notebook, ruler, dog cage, and expert garden potting mix. My procedure is first fill the hole about 3/4 of the way up with expert garden potting mix. Then put the soils under a greenhouse for 30 days. Label all the spray balls and put the different runoff waters in them. Mop any hardware surface with Lysol cleaning in the water. Get the water out of the mop bucket and put it into a spray bottle. Let dishes sit in the water with Dawn dish soap for 30 minutes. Take all the Dawn dish soap water and put it into a different spray bottle. Put all sensitive detergent and clothes into a wash and stop the washer halfway through the cycle and get the water out. Spray 12 soybeans with the dirty floor water every day. Then spray 12 dirty dish water on the soybeans every day, and spray the dirty clothes water on 12 soybeans every day. Leave the greenhouse light on all day and night. Record the growth and health of the soybeans every day. Repeat the steps 9 through 13 for 30 days. This is my data table. All the measurements were in centimeters. And this is my average data table. This is my graph, and on the side, that is my averages, and this shows that the Dawn dish soap does the best over the 30 days. And this is my average graph. The blue and the red and the yellow and the green all represent the different runoffs. As shown in the graphs above, the runoff that helped the growth of the plant the most was the Dawn dish soap water. This runoff helped more than the Lysol mop water runoff, detergent runoff, and the control tap water. This could be because the Dawn dish soap doesn't contain phosphates. Phosphates is a chemical that can stunt and decrease plant growth. The Lysol mop water also does not contain phosphates, which can explain why the Lysol runoff was a close second. These results do not support the hypothesis because the lysol did not do the worst or shrivel up. These are some of my pictures. One of them is where it started, and then the ones kind of in the middle were went through the process, and the dog cage is the makeshift greenhouse. Do household cleaning supplies runoff affect plant growth? The hypothesis stated that the Lysol mop water will stunt the growth of the soybeans the most over the 30 days. First, gather runoff by cleaning a house with the cleaning supplies mixed with water. Then soybean seeds were planted about 1 to 2 centimeters down in the potted soil. Once that was done, each plant was sprayed with one of the different runoffs. Each plant was sprayed every day for 30 days, and their heights were recorded. While doing this experiment, the plants grew taller than the greenhouse that was provided. So to continue this experiment, a dog cage with lights was set up as a makeshift greenhouse. This could have affected the plant growth due to the light being farther away than from the start. The data does not support the hypothesis by showing that the Lysol mop water was the second tallest in average compared to the other soybean plants. If this experiment were to be done again, I would start off with the cage greenhouse so the amount of the lights the plants were getting and the distance would be the same through the whole experiment. To further this experiment, collect soil from a farm that has already been fertilized and put the soybeans in that soil under the greenhouse and see if that has anything to do with the growth. These are my references. All pictures were taken by me, and this is my quad chart. Thank you.